Beautifully maintained home located in the sought-after community of Autumn Run. Open concept living offers cathedral ceilings, a spacious kitchen with bar area and breakfast nook, formal dining room, main floor laundry and access to the 2-car garage. Main level master bedroom ensuite, whirlpool tub, double sinks, tile shower and oversized walk-in closet. The second level offers 2 bedrooms, a full bath and spacious second family room/4th bedroom, playroom, or den. The bright, fully finished in-law suite in the basement comes with living room, future kitchen with all hookups, bedroom ensuite with full bath and walk-in closet/2nd laundry room, workshop and a cinema-style home theater. Home theater comes with 135-inch screen, 6 reclining chairs and carpeted floor to ceiling to create that wonderful soundproof theater experience.